Okay, let's continue our activity. Medyo madulom siya eh. Lagyan natin ng flash. Ay, ganun din. Papangit yung result. Ayan, so nakikita po natin ay pangit yung ano. I-off natin. So malipat kita dito sa medyo maliwanag na pwesto. Ayan. So upon this video ay ayan na yung abalong niluluto na ng aking partner in crime. So gusto mo mahal, ihalo natin dyan.
Sira ulo.
Ihalo na. Yan. Gusto niya talaga mahal madubo. Aray.
Sira ulo ka dyan.
You know?
Mahulog yan dyan.
Ayan, gusto niya madubo.
Punta ka mahulog yan dyan.
So ayaw niya ilakot namin sa abalong, sa adobo. This medyo madulom siya eh. This atataro is found in this leaves and also when you see this kind of animal or this kind of insects, it has a feet. It has a paa. Yan. So when you see, yan. There's a little feet above his body. Ayan, nakikita natin. But when you look at very zoom, ayan, when you look at very zoom in, there's a black part of his feet. I think that is what we call the cocoa part, and there's a brown part. When we see brown part, I think this animal is coming from the manicuristas, or the put spa, and behind that color brown, there is a color green, which is bigger than the front part of his feet, and I think this feet behind the color brown, that feet is a what we call the, oh my god, where's that tataro? Oh my god, where?
Ato. Sa ano, dalong pagpinto.
Oh my god, my thesis is cancelled. Oh my god. Don't run out. Okay. I think the, oh my god, you can do it, man. And I'm still confused why this larva can easily crawl crawling up. even this leaves, I plaster it into into bangin style. Yan, into bangin style. And while I watching, oh my god, while I watching, I found this. Okay, now I know. Yan. So, para siyang mga rubber na nakadikit sa salamin. When you look at very zoom, very carefully, I think para siyang nagbabacuum sa dahon. When you saw a movie of Tom Cruise, the Mission Impossible, the exciting part of that movie is when Tom Cruise climbed into the salamin part of the building and then crawling up. Yan. When you see Tom Cruise crawling up into the building, and you will see him wearing the rubber technique, or what is called. Ano yung sa English ang rubber na pampadikit?
Rubber na pampalikit?
Yung sa pang salamin. When you see Tom Cruise climbing at the building using the rubber, for those who knows that kind of equipment, you can comment as, oh my god. When you see it very, oh my god, there's a head. Kaya pala matalim ang kanyang oh my god, I think, wow, it can easily eat the part of these leaves. Wow. And then I saw this insects, or this larva, can eat very faster than my YouTube viewers. Oh my god. See? When we say lately, after eating, we saw the small hole, but now it's too big. Oh my god. He can eat very faster. And then maya I think maglabas na naman siya ng kanyang dumi sa kanyang anus. Okay. When he done to eating, I think meron na siyang tinatawag na mamusunin after the kainin, the dahunin. Oh my god, yan ang sinasabi ko. Oh my god. So now I therefore conclude, when this Atataro eating, maya meron na siyang tinatawag na pamusunin. Oh my god. And exactly I done the experiment. This kind of experiment is already close, and I already saw this larva can easily eating these leaves, can easily eat these leaves. And now I saw, and now we saw when he eating, he already been throwing his dumi-dumi in. Diba? Oh my God. Oh my God. That is why we love the nature. The nature spring. And I saw this Atataro can easily U-turn because his body has already a power steering movements.